Whoa, 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 we, you and me and you, it's the Danny Karron Show. It's time for another Karron Rewind! 1985. The cat, the baby. What's the cat and the baby gonna do to each other next? This is craziness. The stare down. Are they gonna fight? Are they gonna shake hands? Are they evil foes that want to get along with each other? What's going to happen next? The suspense. The suspense is riveting. It's riveting. I don't know what to do. What's that thing in the foreground? Is that a picture? I don't even know. This is 1985. Look at that crazy wallpaper. The wallpaper's on the walls, and it's also on that door over there. And look at that crazy shag carpet. Wow. Clearly you could tell this house was built in the 1970s. And that baby was built in 1984. And that cat was built, well, I guess, before 1984. Crazy. The baby remains, but the cat is gone. And that's sad, because that was my first cat. Her name was Squeak. And when my father proposed to my mother, she said, "Take me, take my cats." And she was referring to that cat Squeak over there and her other cat named Weenie. That's right. My mother named her cat Weenie. Why? We may never know.